Something interesting is happening with Samsung's next Ultra phone, and it's not the loud, flashy kind of leak we're used to. No dramatic renders, no official trailers. Instead, it's the small behind-the-scenes details that are starting to paint a very clear picture of where the Galaxy S26 Ultra is headed. It starts with something most people would scroll right past: phone cases. Ice Universe has shared images of protective cases and camera films already being prepared by accessory makers for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and that's where things get real. These companies don't guess. They work off early dimensions and layouts because getting it wrong costs money. And what these cases show is a phone that looks calm, clean, confident. There's no massive camera island trying to dominate the back anymore. Instead, each lens has its own precise cutout, neatly spaced, almost floating on the panel. It looks slimmer, more deliberate, like Samsung is done trying to shout and is now just quietly showing experience. Even the colors hinted at through these accessories feel more premium than playful. Less "look at me," more "this is expensive and it knows it." Then you notice something else. The Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus share the same camera protection layout, but the Ultra, completely different. Again, Samsung is clearly doubling down on giving the Ultra its own physical identity, not just better specs hidden inside. You'll be able to tell it's the Ultra from across the room, and that feels intentional. Now here's where it gets interesting. For the past few years, the Ultra upgrades have been fine, better on paper, but rarely exciting in real life. And Samsung fans have been very clear about what they want changed: faster charging, better low-light cameras, fewer everyday annoyances. According to the latest leaks, Samsung might finally be listening. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is tipped to keep its 5,000 mAh battery, but charging speeds could jump to 60 watts. Ice Universe claims it can hit around 75 to 80% in just 30 minutes. That's a big improvement for Samsung, even if brands like OnePlus still charge faster overall. We don't yet know the full charge time, which is the real test, but this already feels like Samsung stepping out of its comfort zone. And just when things couldn't get more intriguing, a very early Instagram teaser allegedly surfaced from Indonesia. It hints at the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor for the international model, along with 4 colors: black shadow, white shadow, galaxial blue, and a bold ultraviolet finish. Nothing is confirmed, and yes, it could be fake, but Ice Universe reacting to it has definitely turned heads. If it's real, Samsung might be setting the stage for the S26 Ultra much earlier than expected. Put all of this together and the vibe is clear. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't trying to shock you. It's evolving quietly, confidently, and very deliberately. Cleaner design, practical upgrades, fewer gimmicks, more things you'll actually notice every single day. With months still to go before launch, this is already shaping up to be one of Samsung's most meaningful Ultra updates in years. And if these leaks are even half accurate, the S26 Ultra might finally feel as Ultra as the name promises. So what's your take on this? Share it down below in the comment section, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until next time, take care.